This is a quick demo of the dual text illusion in Fusion 360. First, you're going to create a sketch on either the right or front planes. Then you're going to create a text entity on that plane. Then you're going to extrude that first text entity by quite a lot, so that it ends up looking roughly square. Once you have the first perspective extruded, you're going to create a new sketch on a second perspective 90 degrees offset from the first perspective. So if you used the front plane, you'll use the right plane, and vice versa. Once you've done that, you'll extrude your second perspective sketch using the intersect option at the bottom of the extrude dialog. When you do this, you'll see that the resulting bodies show up in yellow, which represents an intersection. We've now intersected a word made of 4 letters with another word made of 4 letters, resulting in 16 permutations of letter combinations. We only want 4 of those. They're the 4 that are in the middle diagonally, and you can see them highlighted here in brown. Assuming you haven't customized your view in Fusion 360 too much, there should be a navigation panel at the left of your screen. You can hide all of these extra bodies by clicking on the eye next to each one of them, or by moving all of them into a group and hiding that group.